Okay, so the last concept of our trigonometry is what we call the cosine rule. So, cosine rule is actually similar to your sine rule, which has the same purpose, which is to find the unknown length or the unknown angle. But for the cosine rule, we use it when we are given less information. Okay, so let us take a look at this example. So for any triangle, we are given length ABC, right? An angle ABC. Alright, so the law of cosine says if you want to find side C right here, you should use C square equal to A square plus B square, okay, minus 2AB, okay, cosine C. Okay, so you notice that we will be, if we want to find length C, we will be given length B, we must be given length A, and we must be given the angle C. Okay, so so this is your cosine rule. Okay, so let's just say you are given, you need to find angle length A. Okay, so length A. So let me just erase. Okay, so you want to find length A. So you should put A square. When you need to find length A, you must be given three things. You must be given B, you must be given C, you must also be given angle A. So A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC, okay, cosine A. Okay, likewise, if you want to find your side B, let me just erase. You want to find side B, which is length B, you must be given three things also, A, C, and B. Okay, so B square is equal to A square plus C square, okay, minus 2AC. Yeah, so just follow lah. This and this, right, is equal to this and this. Cosine B. Okay, so this is the cosine rule. Alright, so let's take a look at this example. So, okay, so we want to find side C, right? So how long is the side C? So you will notice that we are given side B, we are given side A, and we are also given angle C. So angle C right here. So we should put C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine C, which is this. Okay, so you just sub in. So A square is 8 square plus 11 square minus 2, 8 times 11 cosine 37 degree. Okay, so let's calculate. Okay, so you should get 44.44015023. Okay, then of course you square root both sides, right? Because I don't want C square, I want C. Okay. So you should get 6.67. Okay. Alright, so let's take a look at the second example. Yeah. So second example, you notice that we are given only three sides or three length. We need to find the angle C. This one we also can use the law of cosine. Right. So you notice that if you want to use cosine rule, the information given to you a bit little. For sine rule, quite a lot of information is given. Yeah. Okay, so the cosine rule is useful when you want to find the third side, when you know the two sides and the angle between them. Or you want to find the angle when we know all the three sides. Okay, so yeah, so let's take a look at this example. Okay, so angle C, right? So we just put, okay, let's label first. So this is, okay, so this C, right? So this is side C, this is side A, this is side B. Okay, so okay, so since we want to find angle C, so our left hand side, because we have a left and right hand side, right? So left hand side must be side C or length C. C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Yeah, just follow your A square, B square, cosine C. Right? Okay, so what is your C square? Your C square is equal to 8 square equal to A square, which is equal to 9 square plus 5 square minus 2, 9, 5 cosine C. So I want to find this C. So let's calculate. Just be careful. Okay, so okay. Okay, so I move all the numbers. So I move my 9 square and 5 square to the left hand side. So you should get about negative 42 equal to negative 2, 9 times 5 times cosine C. Okay, of course you can just cancel away the negative and move your 2, 9 and 5 to the left hand side. So when you move to the left hand side, it's divide. Okay, so you should get cosine C equal to about 7 over 15. Of course, to make it more presentable, just put cosine C equal to 7 over 15. Alright, so how do you find C? So just remember cosine inverse 7 over 15. So how do you press cosine inverse? You just press second F, then cosine. 7, 15. So your angle C is about 62.2 degree. Yeah, so this is how you use cosine rule. Okay, so let's take a look at this example. So this example is using finding angle C, right? Okay, so angle C is this. Okay, so let's label C, side C, side A, and side B. So since you want to find angle C, you need to put your side C on the left hand side. So C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2, copy A and B. AB cosine C. So C square is 7 square. Okay, then A square is 8 square plus 6 square minus 2, 8, 6 cosine C. Alright, so manipulate. So move your 8 and 6 square, 8 square and 6 square to the left hand side. So it's minus 51 equal to minus 2, 8, 6 cosine C. So you just throw away the negative. Okay, sorry about the aeroplane because I live quite near the Seletar airport. Yeah. 2 divided 8 divided 6. Okay. So yeah, so cosine, so your cosine C is equal to 17 over 32. So angle C, cosine inverse 32. Okay, so you should get right. So you should get about angle C about 57.9 degree. Alright. Okay, so let's take a look at the last example before I let you try. Okay, so example, find the distance Z. So we have XYZ right now. Okay, so we are given angle Z. We are not given distance Z. We are given side X. We are given side Y. Okay, so since I want to find your side Z, right? So Z square is equal to X square plus Y square. Okay, minus 2xy cosine Z. Okay, so yeah, so just plug in the numbers. X square is equal to 9.4 square plus 6.5 square minus 2. Okay, 9.4 and 6.5 cosine Z. Sorry, cosine Z we are given. So cosine 131 degree. Okay, so just sub in your numbers. Okay, so Z square you will get about 210.7804133. Okay, then you just square root left and right hand side to get your Z. So your Z should be about 14.5. Okay, so this is how you use your cosine rule.